Dream of engineering in Australia? A rejected CDR application ruins that dream. AI shortcuts and ghostwriters lead to permanent bans. Protect your future with ethical CDR mentoring. Guided by a registered migration agent and engineer. Get structural templates and line-by-line expert feedback. You write. We refine your technical competencies. Avoid common traps and ensure absolute compliance. Hundreds of engineers trust our proven track record. Secure your Australian future. Get a free quote.